The WOLFBOX G900 Pro dashcam offers superior video quality with its front camera recording in 4K resolution and rear camera capturing in 2.5K resolution, ensuring every detail on the road is clearly documented. Equipped with the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, providing clear and crisp images even when lighting is less than ideal. The high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection allows for quick and seamless downloading and sharing of your recorded videos through the WOLFBOX app, making it highly convenient to manage and access your footage. With its smart voice control feature, the G900 Pro enhances driving safety by allowing hands-free operation of essential functions, letting you focus on the road ahead. Included with the dashcam is a 128 GB memory card, and the device supports up to 512 GB, ensuring plenty of storage for your recordings. Backed by a 1-year guarantee, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro also offers the option for additional features like 24-hour parking monitoring with a separate hardware kit, demonstrating a commitment to customer satisfaction and product longevity.